Hi guys, it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and I am here today. I have a very small haul of Rae Dunn, and I have a little bit of shop with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the shop with me, and then we'll meet back here. I also was thinking about getting ready to change out my bee coffee bar and my other tier trays. So I don't know if I'll give you guys a sneak peek, a picture at the end, and then you'll get another video probably with the tier trays and what it looks like. So let's hop into the shop with me and we'll meet back here. would you like that? Not much in the stores. I know it's not a whole lot, but I thought I'd show you what I'm seeing. Couple little new items. So I'll show you some of the things that I purchased to go with my 4th of July Americana type areas. First thing is this land that I love, and it says America. It was Home Goods, $4.99. It's the set of 2 spatulas, really cute. And then I found this, Freedom, and it has the blue. And you guys will see all the other ones that I had. They were in my last video. I'll also link that, but you guys will, like I said, I think I'm going to give you a sneak peek. And you know, these are $5.99. And then Land of the Free. And that has the red. This is a matte finish. This is more of a gloss finish. And I'm thinking I'm going to put my mugs up here. And then that way I can use them all throughout June and July. And I may go back to the lemons. I might not get rid of it completely because really for Americana, what I want, like the ice cream, the like all that fun stuff. But with red, white, and blue, why can't you have lemon and, you know, lemons and lemonade? And so I'm going to play around. And like I said, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what's going down. Make sure you guys hit the big thumbs up. I took it off today. I worked today, did physical therapy. My arm needs a break from that. Brace. Anyways, I know I'm diving off, but give me the big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're brand new here. By the way, I am Jamie with Loving All Seasons. I love decorating for all seasons, and I love Rae Dunn, Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, all those places, shopping hauls, you name it, I love it. So hopefully you'll hit that button and you make sure you hit the all. You don't want to miss anything. I'm really excited about this. I realized I have a whole lot of goodies that I had totally forgot about for 4th of July. So I think it's going to turn out really cute and I can't wait to get decorating. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure, be kind to one another, love one another. See you later. Okay guys, here's a little sneak peek. This is kind of what I did with the mugs. And these are ones that I've picked up. And that is about what I'm going to show you. So we'll come back and either do a tier tray again, or I'll just do a video of what I changed over for 4th of July. Thanks again. You guys have a great day.